Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the buzzing and the echo sounds on your PlayStation 5 headset. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So with your headset turned on and plugged in, press the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu. And then scroll on to the right to microphone and select this. Then go to mic and make sure you're not selected to wireless controller. And select your headset. So I can see the check mark next to my Turtle Beach headset. Then go on down to adjust microphone right here and select this. And under here, we can go ahead and adjust the sensitivity of our microphone. So with this, we can cut out all the low end sounds that say too low. So if I go ahead and start tapping right now, you can see it's activating my microphone. Now, if I go ahead and adjust the slider to the left, I can go ahead and get rid of those low end taps. So let's go ahead and tap again. And as you can see, it barely picks up any of the tapping sounds. So if I am on like a keyboard and mouse and all the little clicks on the keyboard, I can pretty much eliminate all those. And my party should still be able to hear me because it's in the good section. So slide the slider to the left and get rid of all those low end buzzings and tapping sounds. Now, another reason why your headset may be echoing is because you have mic monitoring turned on. So on my Turtle Beach headset, there is actually a Turtle Beach app I can go into and connect my headset to, and there will be a mic monitoring adjustment there. Now, mic monitoring will pick up your voice and replay it back into your headset, so you can hear yourself speak. Then on the Pulse 3D headset, there is a monitoring slider right here that we can just simply adjust and turn that off. But a lot of times you're getting this echo in your ear because probably one of your friends have a headset that's directly plugged into the controller and it's just feedbacking the sound from the party chat. So you start speaking, it goes through their headset and back to your ears. So go ahead and suggest to your friends to turn down the volume on their headset and also reduce the sensitivity of their microphone because it's picking up the sound. And another thing that we can do with the party settings is if one of our friends is way too loud, we can go to Game Base, start a party here, and each person has their own individual slider. So if I were to go to my name, the option isn't existing here, but I can lower or decrease the sound of my voice. So if I have one friend that's way too loud, I can decrease their voice. If I have a friend that's too soft, I can increase the sound of their voice. Then if we go up to the top to the three dots and go to more, so if we want to go ahead and adjust our audio for the game sound or the voice chat, we can adjust this slider to the left or to the right, depending on what we need. It says move the slider to adjust the audio volume balance for game and voice chat. Now, another reason why your headset could be buzzing is because you're charging it while you're speaking. Now, you could be either charging the headset itself or you could be connected to the controller and then charging your controller. So you would want to go ahead and charge your headset separately when you're not gaming. And it's very simple to tell who's actually echoing in your PlayStation party chat. So if I go back to my party screen, you can see whenever I speak, there is like a blue or purple circle around my name. So if I stop talking, this will go away. And then when I start talking, it will pick up again. Then if I go ahead and mute my microphone, you can see there is a mute symbol across my name. So you can see who's talking, who's not talking, and who has their microphone muted. And if you do have a PlayStation 5 controller, if you press this button right here once, it will turn red, and this will mute your microphone. So if you do have like someone who comes over suddenly and starts talking to you, you can press this so your friends don't hear you talk in the party chat. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.